everybody. Welcome to the beach.
Again.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the beach full of sand. You can see because then I turn the camera around. We can see that he is not our child anymore.
Yeah. Malagyan ng sand yan. Pasag mo dun.
And we have millions of sand.
And let's go swim.
What happened to your eyes? Ba't may black eye ka?
Me? Who?
Sophia, may black eye.
Oh, I punched her.
Punished?
Punched.
Why did you do that? In the face?
Yes.
Ay, naku, Franco.
I was
Bakit
kidding.
naman?
I was kidding.
Naku, ha? Malaman kong sinapak mo yung kapatid mo, sasapakin din kita. Magsapakan na lang tayo. Buong pamilya tayo magsapakan.